latitude 26.9 north, longitude 91.7 west. Zeta is moving toward the north near 18 miles per hour. Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, no weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. At 10 a.m., the center of Hurricane Zeta